Alright now, we out here, rides and range day. That's right, off the porch adventures, off the porch everyday carry. We combine the two to get us a good little weekend. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna do something out here. We're gonna show y'all something and have some fun while we do it. Let's go.
Am I that far off? Jesus Christ.
Purchase your tracks today.
It ain't special, that's what I was trying to do. Damn! G, what you got? G3? G2C. Alright, walk up a little bit. Come on.
Purchase
There you go.
tracks today.
Green target, going hot, baby.
Oh, so safety.
Left hand. Don't squeeze too hard. Ain't no practice shots. Get it there. Get closer.
No, he got it.
Told you. John Wayne.
You
The villain that got away.
I got 3 boxes.
Oh,
we go.
you got it.
Huh?
That's single action.
No, he
Oh.
make it a
Well, this shoe just as good in double. However you want it.
I got the second one.
We're gonna try this one out. You gotta be strong.
Hurt my finger.
You gotta be I know that red dot.
Can you co-witness with that? Can you co-witness with that?
No, it's too damn hot.
Uh.
I might take it off.
He shouldn't have black powder rifle. Yeah. You hitting the 2x4.
That sucker ain't on at all.
You gonna cut that 2x4 down.
But I hit it one time.
Yeah.
He dead.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see that.
I gave me every something.
The shot's shooting the best gun on the planet.
Huh? Oh, that was me and Marcus talked about it, making it like
That double left.
ready to go in my
Burgundy one down that hill.
That's it. What do you think?
It's all right, man.
It's double. That one and that one.
This is nice, man, but That trigger pull long as
It's
bitch.
long. Yeah, I got a long ass trigger pull on.
See, that's what separate this from that.
That makes this better. Yeah, thank you.
Go ahead and shoot.
I saw it was no recoil.
We say we should.
No.
Y'all talk the most shit about these two guns over here.
Your joint better? No. Hey, look.
You said what?
Go ahead and shoot it.
Here,
See what I'm
here.
talking about.
Let's see what you're talking about.
Oh, that's a toy first. What is that?
It's a
That's
Colt.
a Colt.
A toy first, a Colt.
The that Hunter is a lot better than this Colt.
Oh,
Hell no.
oh God.
Have you shot them
live,
both?
going
Have you
live.
shot them both?
But I can.
Have you shot them both?
I'm gonna tell you now.
Have you shot them both?
I shoot them both.
The trigger
and I
on this
guarantee
is
that Colt
horrible
is better.
compared to
Guarantee you. The toy is better.
All right.
Hell nah. He
Go hot.
bugging.
Back me up, man. I don't want to hear that. I already knew where he was going. I don't want to hear that.
I hope you heard that before.
I don't want to hear that.
Yeah, because I ain't shot and I can tell it's better.
No, you can't. You can't tell nothing because you ain't shot nothing.
Shoot it.
I shot
shoot
that
it,
one.
Shoot it in double action. You'll see the difference between the two.
We're about to find out.
You'll see
I'm
the
going to be honest.
engineering over there.
Oh my God,
Oh, my
engineering.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to be honest. I'm going to try it.
Yeah.
If it's better, it's better. I ain't going to knock it.
Hey,
It's gonna be better.
Here we go. We're going hot. Let's see what you got.
and you're gonna hit the target.
And you gonna hit the target. That's the biggest thing. Oh no. Ain't no hope for him.
That shooter's out.
I've been here dinging from over here.
If it one thing, if it didn't go 6 feet in the air.
Hold it down low.
You ain't holding? Y'all, you tearing the floor.
Those soybeans gonna be mad as hell.
Hell no.
I
Look at the way you flinched.
feet.
Let me try it.
Nah, that's
I
a
just
no for
need
me.
3 rounds. All I need is 3 rounds and I'm gonna let you know.
Come on.
3 rounds, that's all I need.
If the barrel went 44 feet in the air after every trigger pull, I think that's the better thing. I like the trigger better. But the recoil is
Look
what's
at the
killing
barrel
me.
compared to the barrel on that. You got a tactical barrel on there. You
Hey,
got a
I'm just
fucking
saying, the level of hate. Stop
barrel on a handgun.
You said 3 rounds, right?
3 rounds, all I need.
Don't miss. Oh, look at them soybeans. Damn, look at that bird. You want the 4th one now?
No.
Oh, okay. Talking all that shit.
I think those sights. I think the sight is on.
I think, yeah.
Indoors, keep that on. But I noticed when I hit it, I had to hold it.
IBT, what you trying now?
This is Marcus Raging Hunter. That's so much better than a Colt.
What are you shooting at?
Yours?
Oh,
How do you advance the how do you advance the
How you do what?
Oh, I got
Close
it.
it.
how do you advance it?
Oh, it's double.
Oh, you gotta do both of them. Okay.
Oh, here we go. Shittalker.com.
See, the sight is
You
crooked.
can't see nothing because I need to take it out. Oh, shit!
I'm guesstimating now.
Guesstimate work with an 8-inch barrel that's ported. Can't. I hit it once too. So. Come on, you got one more.
I had to get round to it.
Review. I was like, I'm gonna throw that red dot in Friday night.
That red dot touching the moon right now. Yeah.
Well, so tell me, shit talker. Oh, record him. Open your
He ain't
mouth.
saying nothing yet.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
I ain't say nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing.
'Cause you
That
know
Colt's a good gun.
Yeah.
That Colt's a great gun.
You know that's better.
gun-
You
the
know
gun's
it's
a great gun.
Say it. Get it off your chest. Say it.
Yo, these dudes tripping, yo.
I'm telling you.
That trigger is trash,
Oh,
yo.
the trigger
Trigger trash.
But it's just
Trigger
so
long.
heavy. It just
But
it don't
don't recoil.
It's no recoil.
Look at the barrel.
Bruh,
Look at the barrel.
you
my
said
dude.
this
It's
versus that.
It's supposed to mitigate recoil good.
With the port.
But the reason why this is a coat and what it do,
Oh,
what it
yeah,
do,
it's
the trigger.
I'm sorry.
Yo, I'm
if
sorry.
I got Gucci
Do you
sandals
buy look, I'm sorry.
and I
bro.
got Crocs, I can still
guns.
walk
I buy guns,
because of the name brand.
but you can't run.
You can't run the
that's the
Gucci
difference.
sandals.
You can't
Bullshit.
run. You ain't running to them
You
cracks.
ain't gonna run
I'm
far.
trying to tell you.
Hey, look, man. You ain't trying to tell me shit. You trying to justify that bullshit purchase.
Move this out the way.
Yo,
All day.
you crazy, yo.
All day.
You bugging.
Look at
It was
this bad.
Revolver.
Yeah.
It was Revolver of the
You had
year
another 2 inches
last
on it.
year.
Exactly.
That's not my
I'm
fault.
not saying it's a bad gun, but compared to this, nah, yo. Look at the trigger pull is bullshit. It's a come on, man. In single action, you gotta look how far you gotta reach.
I
compared
get
to
that.
this.
The trigger pull is long. I
This shit
get
is
it.
like, yo, this trigger ain't on the coat is like glass. That
Well,
gun is
I
mad
tell you
small.
like this, Brian shot both. He is a
Hey.
unbiased person.
Hey.
He hit the target with this one, not with that one. Oh!
Hey, that sounds like shooter's error to me.
Oh, I tell you. Hell
That
yeah.
sound,
If I shot that gun, you know, another 5-10 rounds, I probably could figure it out. But I would rather shoot that gun another
Because of the
5-10 rounds.
recoil, right?
Because of the
It-
recoil.
That's all it got
But that
over
gun,
it.
I mean, the
But-
trigger feels.
I'm sorry.
The
Say it
proof is
one
in
more
the barrel.
time.
The proof is in the
Oh,
barrel,
yeah,
yo.
yeah, yeah.
You would rather shoot this gun than the
With-
Colt?
Take this off though. Get rid
We
of
take this off, we'd rather shoot this than the Colt.
Yeah.
Now what?
Okay,
Now, hold on,
thank you
hold on, hold
GoPro
on.
for recording this
Hold on.
footage.
Why is that? Why is that?
Hey, we going
There's no
high.
recoil.
Alright,
Okay.
there's no recoil. These are the weapons. Yo, this motherfucker got a 16-inch barrel on a revolver. Come on, man.
Oh, the love to hate, love to hate. Thank y'all for tuning in to this segment of The Taurus is Better Than the Colt. We'll catch y'all
Oh,
next
I
time.
never said that.
Hey,
I ain't
don't post that
never
on the
said
internet. Don't post that on the internet.
I'm doing 6'5".
I know, right?
I heard it. I heard that over down here. That's what I'm saying.
That's simple.
Ding, there you go. You got that breathing right, fam.
Yeah.
Thanks, OT, baby. Boom. Oh, shit.
The fish?
Oh,
Make some room, man.
oh, sucks. Here we go.
Make some room,
Look
man.
at this right here. Oh,
Huh?
oh,
You getting the
OTP fish, huh?
You getting the plate?
Nah,
That's what you do for my company.
it's good too. See that right there? What's that we call that? We call that yard bird right there.
Good.
Got a little yard OTP riding over here, doing this darn thing. Hold on.
I put a house out on that door.
Look. We call this our good old rides and range day, baby.
Yeah, I ain't got time to put no bread on, you know
We
what I'm saying?
don't need bread.
Get
That's
it
just
in like it
unnecessary
is.
carbs.
That's right.
Get straight to the meat.
That's right.
Pause.
Less bread, more fish.
That's right. Hell yeah. Y'all better come on. Woo. All right there. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! See on.
Purchase your tracks today.
I think it should be shooting only 100, right? That should hit you in the face. Somebody live back there really mad in here.
Whenever you ready. out here today. Yep, you know what that is. You know what that is. Oh, so you know what we about to do. Oh, shit.
That's some weird. Hold on.
You almost finished? I'm ready.
Hold on.
I gotta rush them off. They look good.
I was shooting at the 100 yards. Just see what the fuck happened.
You about to take a break?
Yeah, go ahead. Dude.
All right, cool.
Not bad.
Hey, Brian. Brian, look. Look what I just bought.
No,
Huh?
that's the one y'all was looking for.
Going hot.
What you shooting? What you shooting?
Oh, yeah, it's empty. Yeah, I wouldn't have handled it if you want. I thought that one was smooth. Good God almighty. That thing float on air. What, it got airbags in it on the slide? They say, come on, my truck.
Your target department. The paddle came off.
It came off or spin around?
Came off.
I sent it back, it was broke. You good riding?
Let's see what y'all talking about.
What happened to the orange piece? It dropped off.
You said it popped up.
Shot that joint off, killer.
Watch a minute.
I know.
See if he gonna miss. You better hit. Miss. Soybean. 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 There we go. Soybean. We ain't eating tonight, y'all. Yeah.
This shit. Okay.
Aim up.
okay.
Empty. Empty.
That's it, right where he hit, right there at the bottom too.
This thing nice. Yeah. Yeah, I take two. Here you go. Go ahead and put some rounds in. I'm gonna leave it right here for you.
You're way up. Keep going. Keep going.
Who got nine?
Staccato P.
Who got
It's a
nine?
bag right there. It's a bag of nine.
All right, let's see what B gonna do over here. Marcus. All right, Marcus. B trying. Soybean. There you go.
I was looking when I was holding it. I couldn't find it. Once I found it, I could hit it. Was it the dot?
That's on.
Yeah, the dot was on once you found it, right?
No, it's on.
I couldn't find it. I was holding it too high.
Hey, man, excuse me.
Did you say excuse me?
That's what it sounds like.
Line her up. Line her up. I gotta walk the dogs on it. Line it up. What'd you think of?
Oh,
Here, try the lesion.
yeah, my leaves that though. That one.
I mean, I will.
That legion is right behind that right
Yeah,
there.
that lesion is. Oh, I love that guy.
But I changed the springs in mine though.
You did. Which one you go with? What is it? What brand is that? Oh, you did Wolf. What's the one again with a D?
Mac.
Dog.
Yeah. So Wolf is better.
Yeah, Wolf is.
You went lighter.
Like you can. I think I got a 15. The other one ain't no wiggling. Nah, ain't none of that.
No, that's all handmade precision.
Yeah. That gun right there, as it is probably about 3,500 in that. Yeah.
That, I mean, that's the only way to go. That's next on the list.
I wish I'd have known you wanted to see that OZ9 because I bought an OZ9 like 2 years ago. I never even shot it. You bought a what?
OZ9.
Oh, okay. I bought it like 2 years ago.
That's the other one I was thinking about adding to my top 5. Is that OZ9. Go ahead. You clear? Go ahead, try that lesion. Let me know what you think.
Who going? Who going?
You going? What?
This one out.
That lesion.
No, I can see it.
I never know being at the house.
Oh, that's switching up.
Okay. That's 9 frame.
bad look.
Hell no. I was like, you hit 100, like, okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Iron sight 100 yards?
Why ain't they locking back?
That thing's smooth, don't even move.
That thing nice, ain't it?
I like that.
I'm telling you, that's my number 2. That's the number 1 all day.
I'm gonna shoot that again. I hate to break your ammo.
You can burn the ammo up. I think I just ordered another 200 the other day. Another day done. Great weekend, good time, man. Shout out to everybody that tuned in and watched this video. It's your man M White signing out. Off the Porch Adventures, OTP Everyday Carry. We had a ball today, baby. That's right, Ride and Range Day, Volume 2. So we got it in, and we see y'all next time. It's your boy. I'm out.